Hi CA interest students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor in Masterminds for the past 20 years. First of all, congratulations to all the students who have written their EIS and Strategic Management exam really well. Almost all the questions in the public exam came from the guest questions released by us. With this exam, everyone might have already understood the importance of guest questions. Those who have applied for both the groups but stopped writing exams after completion of group 1 will definitely regret for their decision. This time all the 3 papers completed so far are damn easy. That's why we always say when you apply for both the groups, irrespective of whether you have written the exams properly or not, you better write all the papers till the end. For any reason, if you have not written EIS and Strategic Management exam well, then come out of that bad mood and focus on the subsequent exam. Don't get deviated, stay focused till the completion of this last exam also. It's always good to assume that question paper will be challenging. If at all you get a challenging question paper, there are more chances of getting tough or lengthy questions in FM subject rather than economics for finance. Identify the number of hours available and allocate time for each chapter. Strictly stick to the same. Better to allot 60% of the time to financial management and 40% of the time to economics for finance. FM theory is very important and it's very easy to score. If you get a challenging question paper, then FM theory will definitely help you a lot to qualify. That's why you first finish revising FM theory. Economics for finance is more scoring than financial management. Hence, first finish economics for finance and then start revision of financial management. Now, note down the areas which you need to revise in these last few hours along with the order of priority in the subject of economics for finance. First, revise fast track material in all the chapters. This is highly enough and it is not even required to refer the main material. You mark the guest questions in the fast track material. While preparing those guest questions, you pay more attention. In the main material, you need to refer each and every problem given. Remember, in economics for finance, problems play a very important role. After that, you refer RTPs and MTPs of your attempt as well as previous attempt. After that, you refer the supplementary material provided by us. If you refer this supplementary material, then you need not refer RTPs and MTPs of previous attempt. Don't leave even a single chapter as choice. Each and every chapter is important in economics for finance. Now, note down the areas which you need to revise in these last few hours along with the order of priority in financial management subject. First, revise all the problems stated in guest questions in all the chapters. After that, refer to RTPs and MTPs of your attempt and previous attempt. After that, refer to the supplementary material of your attempt. In such a case, you need not refer RTPs and MTPs of previous attempt. If you have underlined the highlight points in each problem and highlighted its impact in the notebook, then it is better to revise all the problems in all the chapters as it will not take much time. This will also help you to improve your confidence levels. If you have not done so earlier while listening to your classes, in each chapter, identify the most complicated and comprehensive problems and refer them now. In such a case, first finish all the high weightage chapters followed by the remaining chapters. Remember, my dear students, in professional courses, it's highly risky to leave a particular chapter or model as choice. Instead of leaving them as choice, at least refer to the problems stated in our guest questions, problems covered in the past examinations, and most complicated and comprehensive problems in each model. Now let us see what is the care that you are supposed to take for writing tomorrow's exam. Before leaving to the exam center, practice speed handwriting at least for 30 minutes. With this, you will be able to write at a higher speed from the first minute itself. Remember, there will not be any separate answer booklets for FM and economics for finance. In both the subjects, never start with compulsory question. Don't even read in the first 15 minutes. To the extent possible, it's easy to first finish economics and then financial management because economics for finance will not take much time to answer. As a result, you can finish answering at least 40 to 50 marks in just a matter of 1 hour. So, of course, it's better to take a decision based on how the question paper is. Read the question paper in the first 15 minutes and then take a decision. Even in economics, start with a plain theory question but not with a problem. In financial management, start with a simple 5 marks problem and not with a 10 marks problem. Follow the same until you attempt at least 40 marks, that is fast 40 rule. Answer FM theory in the middle. If the paper is lengthy or tough, then aim for 40 and it's highly enough even if you attempt just 80 to 85 marks. In professional courses, it's highly dangerous to sit idle till the announcement of results. Remember, if you start preparation now itself, then you will have 5.5 months of time to prepare for your next attempt. But if you start preparation after announcement of results, you will be left with just 3 months of preparation time. And my dear students, across the country, the pass percentage for both groups will be between 12 to 15%. The pass percentage for single group will be approximately 25 to 30%. That means there are more chances for a student to get failed rather than to get qualified. I really wonder how every student says that he will qualify in this attempt and he will simply be sitting idle till the announcement of results. Simple mathematics probability concept. There is more probability for you to get failed rather than qualify. Then it's better to be proactive rather than reactive. Start preparation immediately after completion of exams. Yes, you can take rest for 5 to 7 days. That's not a problem. But after that, you need to start your preparation. Even if you have written only one group this time, I recommend you to start revising both the groups so that even if the group in which you attempted now, you will get failed, then you can comfortably handle both the groups in the next attempt. If your conceptual clarity is not good, then take coaching for the group of your choice now itself. After results, your entire focus should be on revision but not on coaching. Prefer to join in the best institution for taking coaching. Don't compromise in this aspect. Don't put your career into risk by joining in non-standard and non-serious institutions. At any cost, don't join for articles and ICA TSS classes before announcement of results. Alternatively, you can join for study hours and revision exams program in Mastermind for both the groups. If you like this podcast, like it and share it with your friends. If you are still worried about the exams, you can directly contact me on my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. Leave your feedback and suggestions to improve this podcast in the comment section. All the best, my dear students.